Go.
For just a moment, Mr. Jackman Grover, whose life has been given over to fighting adversity, will find himself in a cheap hotel that is in reality the outskirts